Hello bookworms, welcome back to another Read Aloud. As you know, we always have interesting stories to tell you every week, and we have a theme. Our theme for this month is still on nature. The title of our story today is Are You the Woodpecker? By Suhel Kwada and illustrated by Kalyani Ganapati. As you can see in this first page, we have two birds. Let's see what the story is about. Killy and Killian were two parakeets who lived in a hole high up on a silk cotton tree. One day, a storm came and blew down their tree. Killy and Killian cried birdie tears for their lost home. A passing crow heard the noise and asked why they were so sad. "Our tree is gone. We have no home," they sobbed. "You need a bird who can peck wood to make a tree hole. Why don't you ask the woodpecker to make you a new home?" said the crow. So Killy and Killen set off to find the woodpecker. Toot toot! Killy and Killen heard a loud sound from the bushes below. "Are you the woodpecker? Can you make us a new tree hole?" they asked. "No, I'm the tailor bird. I stitch leaves together to make my nest." "Pleased to meet you." Killy and Killen heard a flirty whistle in the trees below. "Are you the woodpecker? Can you make us a new tree hole?" they asked. "No, I'm the bulbul. I bring twigs to build a cup nest." Shriek, shriek! Killy and Killen heard a screeching sound. "Are you the woodpecker? Can you make us a new tree hole?" they asked. "No, I'm the weaver bird. I weave grass together to make my hanging nest." Toot-toot-beat! Killy and Killen looked down in the grass. "Are you the woodpecker, and can you make us a new tree hole?" they asked. "No, I'm the lapwing. I make my nest on the ground." "We'll never have a home again," said Killy. "Don't give up hope," said Killen. "Let's try a little longer." Tock, 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 tock. Killy and Killen saw a bird hammering at a tree branch. "Are you the woodpecker? Can you make us a new tree hole?" they asked. "Yes, I am," said the woodpecker, "but I'm busy making my own nest. You'll have to ask someone else." The parakeets looked at each other in despair. Tuk, 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 tuk. On a nearby tree was a round green bird. "I can help you," she said. "Who are you?" sobbed Killy and Killen. "I'm the barbet," said the bird. "I can make my nest in trees by pecking out a nice round hole. I can make you a new tree hole for you." And so she did. And that's the end. Thank you, bookworms, for listening to this interesting story. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a lovely day. Bye.